When we dive down to the deep end, who's left to blame when we drown? When we fly away to the unknown, where do we go when no one's around? A picture painted lost in the night sky. Wonder where soft love likes to reside. Far beyond the sun plus the universe. Find a way to your stars, you my divine. Entwined, could you give me peace of mind? But I gotta say that you're driving me crazy. You know, kinda like the moon when it pulls on the tides. You got me feeling dizzy every time I try to hide, but my mindset's so hazy. You know, nothing comes easy when you both got to fight. You really make my daydream truly come alive, but
We don't know anything at all. I'm just as lost as you inside, and I just find the time to hide away. 'Cause we both know we're just wasting time. Boredom comes to steal my life. Rather be asleep inside, alone. Wake up, make my bed, brush my teeth, go to work, spend a check, and then it's repeat. Summertime is our time, but it's just fading over oceans. Oh well, I don't care, let it pass me by. I'm all good and that's fine, so don't check the time. Running through a stretch, finding peace of mind. Summer depression gets me every time. We don't know anything at all. I'm just
How do you lose a memory? Does it slip through your hands? Do you see where it lands? Or does it taste like honey? Does it stay on your lips or pomegranate seeds? In the bleakest weather, you give me a sweater. The sky disappearing into the blue. You tempt me to stay with all the faded gray, the warmth bleeding into the afternoon. I like to think I know when it's over. The sunlight dripping gold, but in the wintertime, like to press rewind. You know me well, my part-time lover. La 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 lover.
Hello?
Hi,
Hi.
what are you doing?
Nothing. You?
Nothing.
Why'd you call?
I wanted to.
I'm glad you called.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
'Cause maybe you can explain what the hell this crazy woman is talking about.
The fountainhead.
Yeah, it's your fault. And you will pay.
I promise, commit to it one more time, and if it still is awful for you, I will make it up to you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna hold you to that.
It's all over your face, but it was always something I just had to do to find that empty space. I never thought that I would waste my time again, just falling in love. Never fought so much with space and time. I've been just falling in love. So while you're out there moving on, I'll be singing stupid songs for you. A good reminder not to waste your time again, just falling in